Okay, so another way we can also stretch out these forearm muscles is by doing what we call a nerve flossing. So nerve flossing is essentially trying to get that nerve to glide through the muscles because all our nerves come from our spine. So the ones that go into our arm come right from our neck, through our chest, into the arm. And there's three main ones that will go in different areas. Today, we're going to be going over the radial nerve. So that nerve comes actually through here and then into the hand that way. So we want to really stretch out by getting into this position. So we want to kind of rotate our wrist like we're asking for a tip. So I'm just going to move this way, having our hand out here, coming back. So rotating as much as you can, asking for a little tip over here is kind of the best analogy, twisting it back and rotating back. So you should feel stretching through this area. If there's any like sharp numbness, tingling, it's too much, then just reduce how far you go. You don't have to go all the way. You can kind of go part way and work within whatever range you've got with it. But this is a really good way to stretch out the muscle, but also make sure that nerve is moving well below that muscle. So this one, we don't really want to be holding this for 15 seconds. It's a long time. I would rather do like 2 seconds max. You're going to come back and do this 8 to 10 times. All right, give that a shot and give those forearms some love.